Welcome to Hands on Magic. In today's video, we're going to be covering the exercise from Fundamentals of Magic, Episode 2, Introduction to Energy, where we cover how to sense different types of energy. Now then, what you'll need is a lit candle, and what I want you to do is I want you to place your hands on either side of the flame to where you can feel the warmth of the candle in the palms of your hands. And just take a second to really feel that feeling. And then what I want you to do is focus on the center of the palm of your hand and pull energy into your palm from the candle. And as you do, I want you to start to pull that back up your arm and then push it back into the flame. And repeat this several times and really pay attention to how that energy feels. It may feel like a tingling sensation or a wave of warmth moving up and down your arm. And that all just depends on how you're wired. Now then, you can use this same technique for drawing energy off of just about anything to get a sense of what that energy feels like. And you want to work with several different things to build up your library of different energies. But I'm pretty sure that concludes this video. So, as always, have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content like this.